farmland stretching far as the eye can see. Not much down there but sun-scorched pastures in 1953. The war was over and they came searching for a place to be. They left the Rhineland, they lost their homeland and all their family. Like feathers on the ocean breeze, they went spinning and tumbling across the sea. Never know where they'd come down or who they'd be. Like heather on the hillside, they were bruised and they were battered by the breeze, searching for a place to be free. Sunburned summers, frostbite winter, the kids were plainly dressed. Left the farmhouse when he was old enough and headed out west. From California to southern Africa and all the way to France, on to England to meet my mother.